So before I start this video, can you guys do me a solid and like, you know, cover up your computer screen or your phone, whatever you're watching this on, just cover up this whole area, please. So this is, I think, like the last thing coming from my little Amazon Prime Day like shopping spree. I got this on sale. I think it usually goes for 50 bucks. I got it for 20 bucks, so that was a really good deal. It is like one of these like miniature little like cute little mechanical keyboards that you always see on like those aesthetic Instagram pages and YouTube channels or whatever. I thought it would be cute to actually have one, so I've been using my trusty old Magic keyboard that comes with the Mac. I figured it might be nice to actually try something different, I don't know. So this is, I don't even know what it says. I think it's Draconic, but it's like a tiny little keyboard. I figured we can like open it right now. Let's see what we got in the box. Wow. Super duper classy. As you know, around this part of town we like very classy boxes. Alright, so opening this guy up, oh my goodness. Wow, very cute little keyboard. Like, I rarely use mechanical keyboards. Like I said, I pretty much only use the Apple Magic keyboard, so mechanical stuff, this is all new to me. Why do we have cooking utensils here? Okay, we got a little USB-C cable, it looks like. USB-C to USB-A, so this is how you like charge it, I guess, because I think it's wireless. I'm pretty sure it's wireless. And this is super interesting because I don't think I've ever seen an L-shaped USB-C before. That's cute. Cables are cute. Like, I genuinely don't know what any of this is. Why does it look like I am about to do a science experiment? We got some paper, okay, and a little sticker. Alright, so let's look at the actual keyboard now. Oh my goodness. It's kind of a little bit more of a chunky, but I mean, I guess I'm just so used to how thin the Magic keyboard is. We have some switches on the side. Oh nice, it has little like kickstands on the back, so that's good. Yeah, so we can put it on the desk like that. Oh, that's really cute actually, I like that. Let me type something. What should I type? Hi, my name is Chase, and you're watching Disney Channel. Just joking. This is twitch.tv/ChaseYama. Yeah, the keys feel pretty nice. I like that they're not super duper clicky. Like, so I've only ever used like Razer keyboards, and I find that Razer keyboards are super duper clicky. Like, they are like, I don't even know how to describe it. It sounds like a rattlesnake or something. But these are like just clicky enough without being too clicky. I didn't realize this until like the day that this was being shipped, but it does not have arrow keys, which kind of sucks because I always use my arrow keys when I'm editing videos. They just put the arrow keys on the WASD, as I like to call it. Oh shoot, they also mapped the function buttons to the number pad up here. That's kind of a bummer. I wish I actually looked at what I was buying before I bought it. Oh wait, before we leave, I want to show you guys the lights. Ooh, pretty. Oh my god, these lights are cool. Okay, my Mac's telling me to set it up. Okay, so we have a keyboard all set up. I wonder, how do we change the colors? What the nani? Well, we have light.